YouTube, it's me again, and this one right here, this one. So, we got lots of video here. What are we doing? We're just sitting here bullshitting and making crazy videos, so why not? It's 11 o'clock at night. It's not a school night tomorrow, right? So, she still has to go home and brush her teeth.
Yeah, and I'm still eating gum. We're
still eating gum. The other two are in bed. The little one is, well, the little boy was cranky. He was tired. Her youngest sister was like, crying, and the middle one just wanted to play on her phone until she passed out, right?
Yeah.
What did your dad lend you a while ago? What did I lend you to play on?
His phone.
Yeah, I lent her my phone so they didn't fight with each other, so it was time to get off, plus it was going dead. So we're just sitting here shooting the shit. Pretty sure we'll show your mother this video later and she'll laugh her ass off, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you're watching this, we're doing crazy stuff here.
You're gonna laugh.
You're gonna laugh your bum off.
It's gonna be funny.
We're sitting here with a gajillion tools, and we're sitting here talking about whatever. What are you doing? Oh, look, she likes the Ford. It's her new work.
It's a Ford tractor.
It's my Ford tractor book. It's the master parts catalog for Ford. I'm gonna take it home with you. You can study it.
Yeah. I can study at school with it.
So anyway, we're just sitting here. We gotta find. I have a lot of, actually, if I was by myself, I actually do have a lot of work I could be doing. Like I could be cutting the jaws off this thing that are welded, and I could spend all day doing stuff, but we're just messing around. So
yeah, we're gonna tell some funny stories now.
What'd you do was funny lately?
You
tell everybody what your sister said about the cat. Her sister was getting attacked by a cat last night.
Yeah.
And she's
cat.
She's so cute. She called her cat Pickers an a-hole. It was a bad word. And it was so funny. She was just like, Pickers an a-hole.
You don't have your toddlers talk like that.
Yeah, little kids don't talk like that, but
I don't talk like that.
Our cat attacked her, so she was. And then we asked her, we're like, what did you call Pickers? And she's like, I called him a bad word. We're like, what bad word? She's like, a bad word. We're like, say the bad word. She's like, bad word. We're like, what bad word is it? She just kept saying bad word. So it's funny.
Yeah, she just kept repeating it.
Our kids know what bad words are, so, and she won't repeat it. This gum tastes terrible.
I don't want a bad word.
Do you know any bad words?
I know like fucker.
What'd you say?
I said, I know that I know.
Shh, don't say it on camera. I'm gonna have to delete that. You gotta say, I know. You're not supposed to say that. We're gonna delete this part.
No.
Okay, what are words you know? It's a bad word?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a bad word.
I don't think I can put this on YouTube. I have to blurt it out. Wait, let's start over again. Do you know bad words?
Yes.
Are you allowed to say them?
No.
Okay, good. That's all we need to know. The other part I'm gonna edit out because you shouldn't be saying it on camera. But I'll let your mother see it. She's gonna crack up laughing saying that. So.
She's gonna smack me.
I'm gonna smack you too. So, who cares?
Me smack you on camera?
No, I'm not gonna smack you on camera. That's like what do you call it? It's evidence. I'm not gonna smack her. We don't smack our kids. You give them a little tap and say, don't do that.
Yeah,
usually we go like this. Stop doing that. You don't tell anybody what goes on anywhere. We'll get us in trouble. Then we won't have any donuts late at night. Did you eat late?
He is always smacking me.
I never smack her. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I don't smack her. I don't smack her. No, I don't smack her. I don't smack her at all. No.
He's always smacking me. Like this.
Like that? I don't do that. You talk about smacking? This kid has a punch. Probably better than, I don't know, what's that famous boxer? I don't know. I don't know any boxers' names. She was punching me, too. Ouch. See? I got bruises because of this kid. We got a 5-minute video here.
No.
We better stop and another one. We have 128 gig of hard drive on here. so we can make tons of videos. Okay, let's stop this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for wasting your time watching this. I don't know which channel to put this on, but I should probably make a Chris Never Shuts Up channel. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff.
No,
Enjoy.
you're just